I knew you'd like that.
Wait, what? Chain's a little stiff.
Hello.
That can change everything. Be bold, be authentic.
Yeah.
Anything. You love. You love. Pandora.
At long last, Domino's is introducing stuffed crust pizza. That's right, our first ever. And it's stuffed
No, I have a card.
with melty cheese and finished with even more cheese. It's new Parmesan stuffed crust pizza, and it's only from Domino's.
I don't really know.
Target went up and up for you, helping you save on storage solutions with bags in all shapes and sizes. So everything
Yep.
has a home.
Yep.
Everyday favorites at unbeatable prices. We made up and up for you.
Yeah,
Only at Target.
I get all this through Humana. Humana takes care of all of mine.
When you're not blamed for a condition you can't control, you'll get better when your pain isn't minimized, dismissed, forgotten. We will never stop trying.
No,
Because when medicine gets better,
no.
all of us can get better.
No, I don't want to talk to anybody because all they do is screw it up on me. I'm going to keep just exactly what I've got now. Thank you.
You see, I don't know anything
What's that about?
Medicare, Medicaid, Medicare. They want to give me extra money for groceries and stuff like that. Every time they call and they do that, they screw something up and I don't get a prescription or something. That's why I tell them I don't want to see.
They've covered over 2 million vehicles and helped pay over $1 billion in car repair claims. I saved over $20,000. I've saved nearly $7,000.